Sometimes it just kicks in that I'm not a city girl. And living in a city like Dubai can get a little bit overwhelming. So I'm in a taxi going to the nearest mountain I can sleep next to. For those of you who may not know, I'm from South Africa, home of the Table Mountain, and I grew up in the grasslands of KwaZulu Natal. Except this guy was never there. I had to go and pay for a visit at the zoo to see him. So come with me as I go to Hatta to sleep next to a mountain. Everything is man-made here in Dubai. I still can't believe that there's actually mountains. Let's go see if they're really real. Okay, this is scary. I'm gonna go there and ask if that's where I'm checking in. Oh my goodness, this is scary. This feels like a haunted house. How are you? I'm good. I'm checking in.
You're staying alone?
Yes.
The,
Is it safe to stay alone?
sa fitness ka madalas?
Can I drive that buggy? Why not? So I drove this buggy once. Now I don't want concierge to do their job because I think I look cooler at driving the buggy. Thank you. So, this is it. How do I put it on? Oh. Hi guys. So I've just changed to comfortable clothes and I've checked into my dome. Controls here. Stunning. And then there is like the bathroom here. It's very cute. I'll show you more of it in the morning. But that is that. It's a really, really gorgeous dome. And then we have the outside, which I will show you in the morning.
It ain't no fear in you. I ain't too scared to shoot. But I got a man at home. And we like family too. But I got needs and wants. What's my attitude? Fuck's my self-control. Wanna take care of you and just for the night, yeah, just for the night. Don't wanna lose all that I have. You could be amused and help me catch, but I just need you to come break my back. If you wanna attack it, it's just that. That's just life. I'ma be real, you just my type. I got a man, but he ain't when I'm with you, how can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I think when I'm with you, how can I lose and miss the moment?
Okay, I'll be honest. I'm normally not one to unpack my clothes when I get to a hotel, in this case, the dome that I'm in. But I will tell you that it's much easier if you roll your clothes instead of folding them. So take this as a packing tip for your next travel. It makes it very easy for you to just take it out, take it out, take it out, take it out. And yeah, it will maximize space for you, especially if you're traveling like long haul. But my workout, skipping rope. I'm planning to do a workout, so we'll see how that goes. Today. Oops, there's a lot of things here. My shoes. How am I gonna? Let me get comfortable. Okay, so before I do like anything else, I just want to read this devotion because I did not read it today. I didn't get a chance to read it. Um, this is Day by Day by Joyce Meyer. I'm going to read, it says, a well balanced mind stays positive. And there's a word from 2 Timothy verses 1 to 7. It says, "For God did not give us a spirit of timidity, of cowardice, of craven, and cringing, and fawning fear." It's so hot outside. Oh my gosh. Anyway, this is my outfit for the day. Let's go. Sorry. How are you, sir? I'm good. Sorry. I'm sorry? Oh, it's good. I'm leaving today, so it was just one day. Thank you. Yeah. My phone still is not doing these mountains justice. ungcole ey'nyaweni. How gorgeous is this view, guys? Take a look at this. I mean, for a nature lover, this is heaven. Look at these lodges right there. Imagine if you were to buy land, right? Say you're in South Africa and you buy land like in the rural areas, and then you plug these guys. Imagine how much money you would make. Because I'm pretty sure, no, not I'm pretty sure, it seems as though it's not that much money to make that. You can even make like a madhouse or urondo, guys, like, and make them like 21st century, of course. But look at how gorgeous these are. I mean, how much money would you make? Like, for travelers like me, of course, who just want to go out and just relax in the woods with no Wi-Fi, but there is Wi-Fi here, so I'm not really relaxing my mind because my mind is still working. And but look at how gorgeous they are. The fact that they are in the mountain and you have like your little mini privacy. I mean, at night, I don't know about how you sleep because it's probably scary, but this is awesome.